Needing to build your gang sheet? Our online builder is very easy to use. Simply click on DTF Transfers or order DTF Transfers to get started. Choose Create your gang sheet. Then choose the correct sheet size. Click the Create a Gang Sheet button. You can start uploading images or open up the sheet builder first, which we will do in this video. Click on Upload Image to upload your designs. Lay out your designs and size them as needed. Please be aware of the resolution. If you size your raster images too large, the resolution will be low. 300 dpi or larger is recommended. Low-resolution art will not print well. You can copy and paste your designs or upload more designs to fill your sheet. You can easily add text by clicking on the text icon at the upper left of your screen. We also have a nesting option which will align your sheet for you. Make sure your images are not overlapping by zooming in. Once you are happy with your sheet, click on Add to Cart. Accept the terms and press Proceed. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you for choosing UPress Direct to Film Transfers.